Hello everyone, once again welcome to my online class, and in this class today I am going to take your English. In English, lesson 4, The Proud Kite. The lesson's name is The Proud Kite. This story is about a kite who is very proud of itself. So let's start the lesson. So let's hear the story. See, one boy, Mohan. In this story there is a boy named Mohan, and Mohan is in his room, and he is also having one pup whose fur is like a snow white. And that pup's name is Motu. Okay, Mohan is having one cute puppy, and that puppy's name is Motu, whose fur is just like a snow. Have you seen snow? What is the color of the snow? The color of the snow is white. So as white as the snow, the Motu's fur is also like the snow. In this story, there is also a sparrow whose name is Meenu. And this Meenu, this little sparrow, is Mohan's friend. Every evening, the sparrow and other birds, the flight of other birds, that is the sparrows, the flight of other sparrows, they always used to sit on the tree which is just after Mohan's window. Just after Mohan's window, there is a garden. In that garden, there is a big tree where this sparrow and the group of sparrows flight, they always used to come and sit over there. And after spending some time there, they used to fly in the evening. In the evening, they go back to their nest. One day what happened? Mohan, the boy of this story, he made a very fine kite. Its color is red. Its color is red and it has a very long tail. After seeing this kite, which was made by Mohan, his pet, that Motu, he was very happy, and the sparrow, his friend sparrow, and the other birds, they also saw this kite and they were also very happy. Mohan took that kite and he went out to fly that kite in the sky. He tried a long thread in that, and the wind was also very fast, so it took no time to go high up in the sky. The kite took no time, as fast as it ran in the sky. When the kite went very high up in the sky, when Motu saw it, he felt very happy. Okay. The kite went very higher and higher. It was crossing the huge buildings. It was crossing the eagles which were flying on the sky. And he said to himself, "Wow, I am very higher than all other things. I am crossing all the tall buildings, all the tall trees, even the eagles which are flying on the sky." And he felt very proud of himself. Then Meenu said, "Oh, that's why you are not going so higher. What a pity." Then all of a sudden that kite said, can you do me a favor?" He asked a favor to Meenu. Can you help me?" Then Meenu said, "How can I help you?" Then kite said, "Okay, one thing you do, you please break the thread which Mohan holds. Please, can you break that thread for me?" Then Meenu said, "Okay, no problem. I'll do for you this one." And the Meenu, it went and it broke the thread. As soon as the sparrow broke the thread, the poor kite, it came down. It started falling down and it fall in the ground. Mohan was watching all these things, and his pet, that is Motu, it went and it bring that kite in its mouth to the Mohan. When Motu brought that kite, after seeing that kite, Mohan was very sad because it was broke. It was thrown from all the sides due to the power of wind. So students, this was the lesson, and the moral of this lesson is that one should not be proud of itself. Isn't it? हमें कभी भी किसी भी चीज का घमंड नहीं करना चाहिए. This is the moral of the story. And dear students, you have to copy down the word meaning which is given in this lesson to your notebook. And I am going to pronounce that for you people. Favor, help. Repeat after me. Favor, help. Second one, eager. Wanting to do or have. Repeat after me. Eager. Wanting to do or have. Third one, tear up. To make two pieces. Tear up. To make two pieces. Fourth one, Snow White. As white as snow. Snow White, as white as snow.